How to export animation in Krita? So if you want to export animation in Krita, follow the steps. Very first thing is that install FFmpeg. Before exporting, you need to download and install, which is required for rendering videos. Ensure it is properly linked with Krita. Now open export menu, go to the file render animation. In this render option, choose video. Check that your first and last frames are set correctly. Ensure the width, height and frames per second matches your canvas settings. Select the desired video format, for example MP4 or GIF, from the drop-down menu label as a render as. Click on the three dot next to it to ensure the baseline is selected. Choose a location to save your exported file and click save. Your animation will begin rendering now. Again, go to the file render animation, choose image sequence for this option. Confirm your first and last frames are correct. Select a file format PNG for recommended for transparency. Specify a folder where you want to save the image, creating a new folder if necessary. You can set how the image will be numbered starting from 0 to 1. Click OK and Rita will export each frame as an individual image, right? So after exporting as an image sequence, you may need to compile the image into a video using video editing software such as Adobe Premiere or whichever video editing software you use. Thanks for watching.